Hi guys, it's 5:30 in the afternoon here in UK. Katatapos ko lang mag-work. Kalalabas ko lang ng aming small room. I use our small room as my office every day. But I'm not here to talk about work. kahit medyo busy ako lately sa trabaho. So I think that's the last thing I would like to talk about after regular office hours. Okay, so the reason why I'm here is because I recently purchased this particular perfume from Zara. As you know, Zara perfumes are my to-go perfumes. Yeah, they're very lovely. So, cheaper version siya ng mga brand perfumes in the market. And for this video, I would like to share with you this one. It's called Golden Decade. So, sweet siya. So, marami siyang variations of Golden Decade sa Zara. But when I was there, this perfume caught my attention kasi very subtle siya. So, ito yung dupe ng YSL Libre Intense or just a regular YSL Libre perfume, although mas softer siya, sweeter and warmer and cheaper, as you know. So yeah, so if you're a fan of YSL Libre perfume and you don't want to splurge a lot of money, this is the high-end dupe that you could get. So maganda talaga to, and I really recommend this to you guys. So let's unbox it, shall we? So this is the box. So sabi dito sa box, the notes are like orange blossom, vanilla, and tonka. And very decent ang packaging ng Zara actually. So let's open it. Yeah. Actually, marami na akong makolect na perfume ng Zara ever since ito talaga yung ginagamit ko every day, especially pag pumupunta ako sa office, and I do get a lot of compliments pagka ginagamit ko yung mga perfumes ng Zara. Here is the bottle. As you can see, very simple, although it's heavy. I think this is about 80 ml. But you can get like a travel size bottle. Meron silang available na mga travel bottle. So, let's open it. Oh my god. This is exactly the same as my YSL Libre, to be honest with you. Let's try. Wow. Oh wow. Just amazing. This is sweet, warm, subtle, quite sexy. So, very ideal siya